Hi, I'm Ash K. Holmes, celebrity makeup artist and your new Falscara ambassador. Today I'm going to show you how to apply and give you my tips for achieving your best Falscara look. First up, apply bond. Use the first side of the brush to apply bond the same way you would apply mascara. Work on one eye at a time. Then apply the wisps. You'll apply the wisps on the underside of your natural lashes. Apply one wisp at a time, starting with the outer corner and then working your way in. The last and final step is the seal. The seal is located on the other side of the bond to complete application. The seal will remove any remaining stickiness left from the bond. I recommend applying bond to a small section at a time so you really take your time placing each wisp down, not having to worry about the bond drying out. Use the applicator or your finger to squeeze the wisps in place for a secure hold. If you want your wisps to last more than one day, you can try overnighter for up to 10 days wear. Apply a thin line of overnighter just above the band of the wisps. For best results, use the Falscara remover, or if you're in a pinch, oil-free makeup remover. Saturate a cotton pad with remover. Hold the remover on your eye for 30 to 45 seconds and gently massage the wisps away. If removed gently, you can reuse the wisps up to 3 times. I hope you guys enjoyed all the different looks you can get with Falscara.
It's Falscara, baby.